You said you met with Mr. Donahue. How did you guys come to meet?
I had a third party ask if
Who?
I would meet with him.
Who?
A friend of mine.
Who?
I'm not going to divulge that.
You have to.
He's an attorney.
What's his name?
Oh, he's my attorney.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Who?
Hold on. Was you taking legal advice from him?
In a way, yes.
Well, then it's attorney-client privilege.
We're not asking for the content.
I'm not asking for the content. I want to know who.
Well, it doesn't matter. So,
Who
I'm
arranged
sorry, I'm
the
not going to
meeting?
tell you. You can sit here till midnight. I'm not going to say anything.
Then we would.
Are you instructing
call
Are you instructing your witness not to answer on the basis of attorney-client privilege as to who contacted Mr. Donahue so that Mr. Vicenik could talk to him?
did you hear me instruct the client any such way?
Well, that's why I'm asking, because he's refusing.
Well, wait a
to
minute. You're
answer.
asking something that didn't happen. He said he's not going to answer the question.
Okay,
What do you
so
want me to do?
sir, you have to answer the question then. Who?
Wait a minute. If he's decided not to answer the question, you could take it to Judge Lee and we can deal with it there.
Then we stop the
But-
deposition right here.
Okay.
And we take it to Judge Lee, and your client has to fly back out whenever it is that we reschedule that's convenient to us.
If you actually think that he is inclined to do so, then let's stop it right here, and we'll have to deal with Judge Lee later.
Let's stop it right
Or
here.
you
then.
can finish your cross-examinations.
I'm going to continue to ask
No,
questions.
wait. Can we take a short recess? I want to talk to counsel real quick.
Going off the record at 6:35 p.m. Back on the record at 6:42 p.m.
Okay, just for the record, all the counsel, with the exception of Mr. Vicenik's counsel, have conferred. I am going to ask him the question. I'm then going to certify the question and ask him, in the event that he continues his refusal to answer. I'm then going to ask him any additional questions that I have. At the end of everybody's questions, Mr. Scarlato is going to ask the same question, and then we're just going to leave that as the last
That's
question.
quite a process. Just ask him the question.
I know, but
Because he'll give you the answer.
oh, well then, hey.
See, that's what the problem with you cutting me out of the agreement.
Well, you went off in
Could've
your own
resolved
little
this.
room. Okay. Who was the third party that set up the meeting with Mr. Donahue?
Jim Durkin.
Okay. And did Mr. Durkin call Mr. Donahue on your behalf?
I have no idea.
Okay. And where did you meet with Mr. Donahue?
At a place of his choice.
Okay. And was your attorney present at the time? Was there an attorney present at the time that you met with Mr. Donahue?
You mean Mr. Durkin? Was he
No.
or anybody?
Any attorney? Was there any attorney present?
No.
It was just you and Mr. Donahue?
Yes.